I've started modeling this new picture, and you see that what I have are basic shapes that I have a Kapmüller-Clark and a mirror modifier. And this was from a prior example, and I'm trying to match this guy up with this picture here. And the question becomes, should I do the manipulations at the level of the cage, or should I commit the Kapmüller-Clark and then do the manipulation using proportional editing? Now, Kapmüller-Clark is at level 2, and it's not clear with what would be the best way to do that. I'm trying to manipulate this figure to look like the image on the side here, and I was asking myself the question about whether or not I should do it with the Kapmüller-Clark present or with the Kapmüller-Clark already committed. And it's pretty obvious to me, and I'm going to make the final conclusion, that the Kapmüller-Clark, at least for the skull, should be committed, because you're able to get the basic features more accurately. So, for example, this suggests the cheeks, and you can pull out this chin a little bit. That might be a little bit too much. So a question comes in as to features like this, which is the chin. Are they done here at this level, or are they done when you take this into sculpting mode? So this feature with the chin, do we try to generate it here, or do we try to generate it using sculpture? That's an open question. The other thing that would probably be good to generate also would be the spacing for the eye. And let's see if we can bring the eyeballs back in. So we've already got the head in now, and we've got the eyes in. And let's see if we can put and let's go ahead and add a mirror modifier. Part of what also I'm doing here is this was from a prior model, and so actually I'm testing the ability to use prior models and recycle them rather than doing everything from scratch. The eyelids have been parented to the eyes so that you could just move the eyelids and you'll have what you need. So the process then is to go through and just get this thing to match up. And it seems to be that using the committed Kapmüller-Clark mesh on the basic head shape seems to do the case. I'm trying to do here is get this thing squared off, because I see how it's squared off here, and I've got it curved here. So let's see if I can get that in a little bit more. And then probably we'll add some cheeks in here, but the idea is that there isn't a large amount of cheek material here. That's what typifies this, and so we want this model to do that, and we can do things like smooth vertices to try to clean that up. But the whole idea is at this level we haven't done any sculpting, and we go into sculpting, this head shape should be communicated here. However, there's an ongoing debate for me about whether or not features that you see here that belong to the skull are going to be done at this level or in sculpting by, say, adding stuff in here, or if there are heavy eyebrows, would you put the heavy eyebrows at this level using this modeling, or would you sculpt them in? And it's a trade-off on time and also ability, depending on the skill level that I have, whether I want to be doing that kind of thing. And it's looking like the distances from the eyes to the nose and stuff, this might be too large or too long, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. The distance from the chin to the nose should be equal to the distance between the nose and the eyebrows. So chin to nose, nose to eyebrows. It looks like the top of the head needs to come down, so let's do that. So chin to nose, nose to eyebrows. Okay, that looks better. Just seems that, so the idea would be that the forehead is small, forehead area is smaller than the mouth area. All right.